Hey guys, I've got the trailer behind me. I'm in the truck, and I'm currently on my way about an hour and a half from where I live to pick up not one but two sectionals. When I made the animated clip for the first time this morning, when I was doing some B-reel film for the Facebook Marketplace links, there was a red couch that popped up, and I was like 22 minutes after seeing it, and believe it or not, I'm actually on my way to get it right now for free, because it'll sell for about $200. But as I was loading up the video that I posted this morning about the statue, I ended up seeing another one about 15 minutes from where I would have to go. So there happens to be an Aldi grocery store close to there, and my wife will be happy if I save us some money by shopping at Aldi, because here in Vermont we only have like one Aldi, and it's in Rutland, Vermont, of all places, and we normally have to travel to New York to save some money. So if you haven't gotten the chance yet, be sure to check out the video that I just posted before this one called how to build a video game collection in 2023 for free. It's a really cool idea, and you know, in today's market, you can't find video games at thrift stores that are profitable. But if you're willing to diversify and get into bigger stuff that everybody needs, like furniture, you can actually use the proceeds from that, the profit you make, to buy things that will make you some money. So we're at 312 subscribers right now. I'm doing another giveaway at the end of this month if we get to 500 subscribers. It's a sealed PS2 Guitar Hero 3 red label in that Fat Pack game. So definitely check out my videos from a couple days ago, and I'll be posting some more stuff for the next, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. As I'm driving, I get a lot of time to think about what kind of videos will do well. So let me know down below if you're into it. And on the community section of the page, I left out a poll, and I really want your input. Do you think it's worth it for me to do videos about flipping furniture and collectibles? Because most of my views tend to come from video game stuff, but I don't think people see how closely related flipping furniture and collectibles are. Because if you earn some money from doing that, you can actually buy the video games that you want for your collection. So I don't know. The poll asks if you want me to talk about flipping furniture and collectibles. I think 6 or 7 people have responded, and there's more than 50% want me to talk about it. So I do it. I love it. So I think I'm going to do it. But please fill out the poll. I'm trying to see where we want this channel to go, and check out the video I posted 20 minutes ago. Thanks a bunch, guys.